Interestingly, the case has been adjourned to 22nd of May and the accused have been remanded in Kuje prison. What's your take on it?
Well, I want to say that the court has done its duty as a competent court of law, and the court is very, very minded. Initially, we were to commence trial, but we couldn't go on with the trial because the court took a bail application, and we have taken a date for the ruling of that application / trial. So if you ask me, I think the court is minded and is doing its job judiciously.
Yeah. Also, the first defendant's lawyer, Micheal Okoh, was not in court today, but the lawyer who stood for him accused your client assaulting you. What's your take on that?
Well, that act is not known to us at all. It is surprisingly because the counsel actually mislead the court by that statement. Because, okay, I've seen a video of a very dramatic video of Michael Okoh Esquire on social media. You understand, with an ad cover him. It's quite very dramatic, and let me just say it for the records: matters are not won in social media. Matters are won in court, and it is the rule of court that when the matter is sub judice, that matter is not to be taken to social media. For the purpose of clarity, I am even allowing myself to grant this interview just because I only want to update members of the public about this matter. But believe me, I am bound not to go into the main crux of this matter because doing that can amount to contempt of court. So I was surprised when I saw Okpara, who had made himself a lawyer. He has made himself a judge and has concluded, already calling my client, who is the nominal complainant, a scammer and a thief in the social media. That is totally unacceptable. It's against the rules of our profession. It's highly unethical. It's just very unnoble of a lawyer to appear on social media and conclude that somebody is a criminal when in the provisions of our law an accused person is presumed innocent until the competent court of law determined or decide that this person is guilty as charged. Well, I want to advise especially the innocent investors who had been victimized as a result of the Abayomi case that they should relax. Although this is not the Abayomi case, but somehow the Abayomi case gave birth to this particular case. We will employ all manner of due diligence to make sure that we prove our case beyond reasonable doubt, both in this particular case and that of our Abayomi case, to make sure that we get justice for the company to return back to business as soon as possible. So, gentlemen, I will not be talking so much like I've always said. This matter is before a competent court of law, and I am happy with the trend of activities, and the court is doing the job. We are hoping and praying that we will prove our case beyond all reasonable doubts before the court. Thank you.
Thank you so much.